Good morning to all. Today I would like to discuss some problems in reasoning. In reasoning, analogy is one of the topic. Analogy is one of the topic. In analogy, see the first question. Train is to passenger, aeroplane is to what? Train is to passenger, aeroplane is to what? See the answer. Train is to passenger means a person travelled in a train is called passenger. A person who travels in a train is called passenger. That means a person who travelled in a aeroplane is called what? Aeronaut. A-E-R-O-N-A-U-T, aeronaut. A person who travelled in a train is called passenger. A person who travelled in a aeroplane is called aeronaut. The answer is aeronaut. In analogy, the second question is, college is to dean, museum is to what? College is to dean, museum is to what? See the question. The head of the college is dean. The head of the college is dean. Or the college is headed by dean. The head of the college is dean. The head of the museum is what? Curator. C-U-R-A-T-O-R, curator. Okay now. The head of the college is called it as dean. The museum head is curator. The third question from analogy is, mother is to child, cloud is to what? Mother is to child, cloud is to what? Chuni. Mother gives birth to child. Mother gives birth to child. Same like that, the cloud gives what? Rain. So the answer is what? Rain. Okay now. Mother produce child. Same like that, the cloud produce rain. The fourth question from analogy is, so paw is to cat, woof is to what? Paw. What is the meaning of paw? Cat. The foot of the cat is called paw. Foot of the cat is called paw. Hoof means the foot of the horse. The foot of the horse is called hoof. The fifth question from analogy is, plant is to tree, girl is to what? Plant is to tree, girl is to what? Plant, after some days, the plant will become tree. Okay na? The plant will become tree. Same like that, the girl will become woman. This is the answer. The girl will become woman. This is the one of the model question from the topic coding and decoding. See the question. In a certain code, teacher can be written as teacher, T E A C H E R, teacher, can be written as can be written as V G C E J G T. In a certain code, teacher can be written as V G C E J G T. So అలా అయితే how we children can be written in that code. Children ఎలా రాయొచ్చు అంటున్నాడు. CHILDREN. How we children can be written in that code. చూడండి, టీచర్ will become T will become V. That means in between T and V we have the word, we have the letter U. That means in between T and V, how many letters we have? Only +1. Same, in between E and G, how many letters we have? F. That means in between how many letters? Only 1 letter. In between A and C, how many letters we have? A, B, only 1 letter. That means +1. Same, C and E, in between how many letters we have? C, D, next one letter E. How many letters we have? 1 letter. Same, H, J. In between H, J we have the letter only 1, that is H, I, J, H, I. Next, in between E and G we have the letter F. That means how many letters? 1 letter. In between R and S we have the letter S. That means how many letters? Observe, in between these two letters the difference is only 1. Next, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That means children can be written in that code. How we children can be written in that code? That means in between C, next D, D after E. Next, leave 1 letter, H. Next, here I, here J. Here I, J. That means here the letter is K. Next here L. Here M. Here N. Here D. Here E. Here F. Same, R, in bit, here S, here T. E, F, here G, N, O, here P. So this is the answer for children. Okay na? Teacher can be written as V, G, C, E, J, G, T. How we children written in that code? E, J, K, N, F, T, G, P. This is the answer. This is the one of the model from symbols and notations. See the question. If divided by means into means plus, plus means minus, and minus means divided by, then find the value of 16 into 3 plus 5 minus 2 divided by 4. అసలు క్వశ్చన్ మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే డివైడెడ్ బై ప్లేస్లో ఇంటూ ప్లేస్ చేయాలి. ఇంటూ ప్లేస్లో ప్లస్, ప్లస్ ప్లేస్లో మైనస్, అండ్ మైనస్ మీన్స్ డివైడెడ్ బై. నౌ write the question. 16 into 3 plus 5 minus 2 divided by 4. Now read the question. Divided by means into. In the place of divided by you have to write into. Here 4, here 2. Next, into means plus. Into means plus. Here 3, here the number 16. Plus means minus. In the place of plus you have to write minus. Finally, minus means divided by. Now do the normal process. First do the division. Why? Already we know the BODMAS rule. By using BODMAS rule, first you have to calculate division. So 16 plus 3 minus 5 by 2 into 4. Next, after division do the multiplication. How many times? 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. What the remaining term? 16 plus 3 minus 5 2s are 10. Here we have two symbols, plus and minus. By using BODMAS rule, first you have do addition. 16 plus 3, how much? 19 minus 10. 19 minus 10, how much? 9. So the answer is 9. Next, this is the one of the model question from the chapter directions. Now see the question. A man walking towards north, after walking 100 meters long, turns right and walks 75 meters. Again he turns right and walk 100 meters. And last moment he turns left and walk 25 meters. Now which direction he is walking? Don't confuse. First understand the question. Question చదివేటప్పుడు కూడా సెపరేట్ చేసుకుని స్ప్లిట్ చేసుకుని చదవాలి. మొత్తం ఒకేసారి కలిపి చదివినా ఇట్ హ్యాస్ వెరీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్. ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ ఇండికేట్ ద డైరెక్షన్స్. We have 4 directions here: east, west, north, south. Now see the question. A man walking towards north anta. For example, here the man walking towards north. Man walking towards north. After walking 100 meters long, after walking, a man walking towards north, after walking 100 meters long, he turns right. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాడు పర్సన్? మ్యాన్ వాకింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ నార్త్ 100 meters, he turns right. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు, తనకి రైట్, దిస్ సైడ్ లెఫ్ట్, దిస్ సైడ్ రైట్. he turns right and walk 75 meters and walk 75 meters. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాడు? ఇక్కడ. and walk 75. Again he turns right. ఇప్పుడు పర్సన్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు. again he turns right. this is left, this is right, this is left. again he turns right, turn అయ్యి ఎంత నడిచాడు? and walk 100 meters long, and walk 100 meters long. And last moment he turns left. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు. and last moment he turns left. left means this side, right means this side. So again at last moment he turns left and walk 25 meters, and walk 25 meters. Now which direction he is walking? ఇప్పుడు ఏ డైరెక్షన్లో ఆ పర్సన్ నడుస్తున్నాడు? విచ్ డైరెక్షన్? సో ఇది ఏ డైరెక్షన్? ఈస్ట్. So the answer is east. Okay na? Person starting walking towards north. After walking 100 meters long, now he turns right and walks 75 meters. Again he turns right and walking 100 meters. Last moment he turns left and walking 25 meters. Finally, he is walking in which direction? He is walking in which direction? East. So the answer is, which direction he is walking finally? East direction.